Students, this is Mansi Thakkar, your English mentor, and today we are going to study the first chapter of your season's textbook, The Naughty Dog. So let us read first the yellow box. How many of you have a pet at home? Why do you think people like to have pets? Which is the most popular pet? Now these are the three questions that you have to think and answer by yourself. So first line, there lived an old man who had no one other than a pet dog as his friend. The dog's name was Kesar. Now there was an old man. This is a story of an old man and his pet dog whose name was Kesar. The old man was not having any other friend except his dog. The old man was well disciplined and strict about his ways. He followed a routine for his day's activities. Now the old man was very strict and very well disciplined about his ways, right? He followed a routine, right? We all are having a fixed routine, like we wake up at 7 o'clock, then we go to school, then we have their breakfast at 10 o'clock, then we go home at 1 o'clock from our school, there we have lunch, then we take rest for 1 or 2 hours, then at 5 o'clock we do our homework, etc, etc. Like this is your routine. Everybody has a different routine. So even the old man was having his routine and he used to strictly follow that. Every morning he took his dog Kesar for a walk. On his way back he stopped at a coffee shop to have a cup of coffee and got Kesar a bun. So every day in the morning he used to go for a walk with his dog Kesar, and when they would return, what the old man used to do, he would stop at a coffee shop. There he would have coffee and even he got Kesar a bun. The man bought a newspaper at the newsstand and Kesar took it home holding it between his teeth. So that was the routine, that after having the coffee and after giving Kesar a bun, the man would buy a newspaper from the newsstand, and then who would take it home? The dog Kesar would take it home. And how would he take? The dog will hold the newspaper between his teeth. So this was their routine, that every day they will go for a walk, in return they would stop at a coffee shop. The old man will have a coffee and the dog will have a bun. Then they would buy the newspaper and Kesar would carry the newspaper between his teeth, right? So this was their routine. Now one day the old man fell ill and could not move out from his bed. As he missed his newspaper, he made his dog fetch it for him. He gave Kesar a 2 rupee coin to buy the newspaper from the newsstand. The dog brought back a newspaper every day. The old man was happy that he could get the newspaper every day. Now one day what happened, that the old man fell ill, and he fell so much ill that he was not able to move out from his bed. So we all read above that he strictly followed his routine. So he was missing his newspaper. So what he did, he gave his dog money and then he would make his dog fetch it for him. Fetch yani ki bring, right? Bring the newspaper for him. How much money the old man used to give? He used to give Kesar a 2 rupee coin to buy the newspaper, and every day the dog is a very loyal animal, right? So he used to bring the newspaper, and the old man was happy that he can every day read the newspaper. The dog continued this for many days. Meanwhile, the coffee shop owner was very happy about the dog. He would say, "That is my best customer. He pays regularly and never bothers me with idle chat." Now, the dog every day very nicely he used to bring the newspaper, and even the coffee shop owner from where the dog used to bring the newspaper was very happy about the dog. Why? Because he said that dog was his best customer, because normally when people go to have the coffee, they would bother him with the chat, they would talk with him, they would gossip with him and waste his time. But here what dog used to do, he used to just go pay the amount and come back. So he would never bother that shopkeeper or the shop owner with idle chat. Idle chat मतलब खाली बातें जो करवाते हैं, राइट, वो ऐसे परेशान नहीं करता था बातें करके उस शॉप ओनर को. When winter set in, the old man's condition became worse. He was forced to stay in bed. The dog, like a faithful servant, helped his master. He went out and came back with the newspaper every morning. Now already the old man was sick, so when the winter set in, the man's condition became worse. उसकी तबीयत और ख़राब हो गई. एंड ही वॉज फोर्स्ड, मतलब इतनी ख़राब हो गई कि वो बेड से बाहर नहीं निकल पा रहा था. बट डॉग लाइक अ फेथफुल सर्वेंट, फेथफुल यानी कि ऑनेस्ट, राइट, एकदम ईमानदार सर्वेंट के जैसे अपने मास्टर की हेल्प करता था. हमेशा ही यूज टू गो आउट एंड एवरी मॉर्निंग ही यूज टू ब्रिंग द न्यूज़पेपर रेगुलरली. Now, after he had completely recovered from his illness, the old man went to the news stand with his dog. He was surprised to hear that he owed 80 rupees to the shopkeeper. Shocked to hear that, he decided to find out what had happened to all the money he had sent through the dog. See, here is the picture that the dog is giving the old man newspaper. He is every day bringing it. So now after the old man recovered from his illness, okay, मतलब जैसे ही recover यानी कि जैसे ही उसकी तबीयत ठीक हुई, so he went with his dog to the news stand. And जब वो गया वहाँ पे तो he was very much surprised. He had owed 80 रुपीज़ टू द शॉपकीपर. उसके 80 रुपीज़ शॉपकीपर के बाकी थे देने, उसको देने थे. सो शॉक टू हियर दैट, उसने क्या सोचा, ओल्ड मैन वॉज शॉक्ड. क्यों शॉक था? क्योंकि वो तो रोज़ डॉग को 2 रुपीज़ देता था, फिर भी क्यों न्यूज़पेपर वाले के मनी बाकी है. सो ही डिसाइडेड कि नाउ आई विल फाइंड आउट द ट्रूथ, कि मैंने जो मनी दिए थे उसका क्या हुआ. The next day he gave the dog a 2 rupee coin and his dog rushed out. The old man secretly followed the dog. Kesar went straight to the coffee shop and put the money on the counter. The waiter gave him a bun. He ate the bun and then went to the news stand to get the newspaper. अब next day old man ने एक आइडिया किया. He gave 2 rupee coin to the dog and after the dog went, he secretly followed the dog. उसने dog का पीछा किया. Now where did Kesar went? Kesar straight went to the coffee shop. उसने मनी दिए, बन लिया और बन खा गया. खड़े खड़े बन खाने के बाद he went to the newspaper stand and took the newspaper.